de las Alas, the comedy concert queen, Pilipinas Got Talent.
Welcome back to Showtime! Again, maraming salamat po sa Imperial Palace Water Park Resort and Spa for accommodating during our stay in Cebu. At maraming salamat din po sa Castle Peak Hotel, Cebu. Ayan.
Yes, at meron tayong auditions po ang Showtime with Mr. Clean today and tomorrow po sa People's Gym Sports Center sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Just look for Mr. Jimmy Cabulong.
Yes, syempre, hello to Dr. Jonathan Dizon at sa mga members ng Philippine Academy Dermatologic Surgery. Good luck po sa inyong convention sa February 10 and 12.
Yes.
At ito po ang resulta. Let's do the recap! SW5. Ito ang scores nyo. Newborn Crew. Ito ang scores nyo. DAD Uploaded Dancers. Ito ang scores nyo.
At ang ating repeater, JCP Dancers. Ito ang scores nyo. And with an average score of 9.69, congratulations to JCP Dancers!
Wycliffe, Finals, maraming salamat. Philosophy, Traffic, Techno Marine, Dr. Miguelano, Converse, and Reveal Clothing. Thank you so much. At salamat sa solid Showtimers.
Yes, magkita-kita ulit tayo bukas!
Yes, dahil dito tayo lahat ang sikat. At lagi po nating tatandaan, sa paligsahan man, ang buhay ay weather lang.
Teka